Alright, we're about to see how much snow we actually got through this whole Snowmageddon 2014. This took about 8 scoops to do. Close the door. I don't know how well you can see it in the dark, but before we got all the snowfall, this part was completely clear. So from here is all new snow from this snowstorm. Got a yardstick. "13 inches. Ain't that a bitch?" What already is on the ground, included from previous snowfall, which there wasn't much left on the ground before all this happened. You're looking at 18 inches. 18 inches. This is the most snowfall we've had since being in Jackson.